Thank you, brother and mother of the bride. Take your seat. Next photo, parents in the room. After this, immediate family of the groom, lahat po ng kapatid ni Sir Kel, please come forward. Immediate family of the groom. After the immediate family of the groom, next photo, relatives of the groom, lahat po ng kamag-anak ni groom, please come forward. Are the relatives of the groom, please come forward. After the relatives of the groom, please stand by. Principal sponsors here next. Thank you, relatives of the groom. Principal sponsors, Leo Jennings, please come forward. After the principal sponsors, best man and maid of honor, please stand by.